This is Matt, and this is a video on how to install and remove Google Chrome extensions. So I'm right here in the Chrome Web Store in the extensions section. If you don't know where this is, you can find it just by putting Chrome extensions or something into Google, or just click the link in the video description. I've got the link right here as I'm highlighting on the screen. I'll put that in the video description just below this video. So you can just click that link and you will turn up right here in the extensions section of the Chrome Web Store. So these are all the different extensions that you can have. You can look through different sections, like they've got a weather and outdoor section, helpful AI assistance, take control of your tabs, and so on and so forth. They even have recommendations for you based on your surfing and what you like to do on Chrome. You can even search right here, so if there's a certain type of extension you're looking for. And the other thing as well is you might just find links and stumble upon an extension around the web. For instance, this one here, Checker Plus for Gmail. I actually don't know what this one is, but when I click on this one, it opens up right here. And you might come across one of these extensions somewhere on the web, and you'll wind up on a page like this, and it will have a URL similar to that. But however you actually find the extension, whether you find it through the Chrome Store because you're searching for something specific, or you just kind of stumble on one of these, what you will do is you will click this blue button. But before I click on that, I want to show you where the Chrome extensions actually live. So if I come up here, we have this puzzle piece in the top right on Chrome. When you click there, you'll see all of the extensions, or at least some of the extensions that I have. So this little pin icon is quite handy. If I wanted to pin this color picker one, which I use quite a bit, I can click on that pin and you'll see that it appears here. And so that's easy access. I can just come up and now I've got easy access to this particular extension. Same with this screenshot one here, that does a screenshot of the entire page. That's a really helpful one. If you're looking for that one's called Go Full Page, and that one's called Color Picker, which I actually saw advertised on the front page there. So the puzzle icon is where they all live, so that's handy for managing in just a second. But if you want to actually add one, you'll just click Add to Chrome. Then we get this warning and we just click Add Extension. So that will be added. You'll see that it says that it's been added. This one has a sound effect as well, and it's taken us to this particular person's site as a redirect. That's fine, we can just X out of that. So now to actually manage these extensions, we come up again to the puzzle piece. This checker one I just added, if we wanted to add that to our toolbar, we can do that with the pin icon. And we can easily unpin stuff as well here. Now, if you actually want to delete one, so I've shown you how to add one, you would click Manage Extensions. You see all of your extensions are here. You can scroll down and see them all. Now, if you just want to disable one, so essentially you want to leave it here, you would do this. See, this one's active. You just click on this little check mark here, and that will make that one inactive. So active, inactive. If we want to actually remove it, pretty obvious, just click on the remove. We get the warning, we click remove, and just like that, it has been uninstalled. We can choose one of these if we want to. But yeah, essentially that's been uninstalled. Again, this guy's redirected us to his website, but that's fine. So that is how you would add and remove Chrome extensions on Google Chrome. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.